Hello again, everybody. This time I'm looking at doing a screencast through Screencast Matic website. So at first I had to log in and create an account at Screencast Matic, which is free, and then take you to the home screen. It's essentially a very quick and basic use of screen capture. And what I'm going to show you is how to make a video of your screen as I'm doing now. So in order to have a look at what I've done so far, I can go into my videos. Here is the icon. This software can do a few things. It can take a still screenshot and it can record your screen as well as a video, which I'm using right now. So by pressing launch recorder, it will open the recorder. It gives you a section of the screen and it's shown by a dotted line that it's recording, and anything outside of that will not be in the recording. You can pause and restart by pressing the pause button here. So now that I've recorded my video, I'm going to go back into my WordPress, go into my editor from the dashboard, and add a new post. Add new post. Add media, similar to where we added the media for other media, and then we will click Add Media. Insert. And there we have it. It is limited to 8 megs. Otherwise, it would need to be posted to YouTube. Okay, best of luck.